Rene here again, and today I'm going to be putting together the March layout for the Cut Above Layout Kit Reasons to Smile Calendar Kit. So in previous videos I've done the cover January and February. Today we're going to do March, and like before I am just going to do it start to finish and see how long it takes. I will tell on myself, I realized on the February page that I did last I forgot to put the date stickers on and to adhere the February page to the actual calendar. So that probably took me, I would say, a couple minutes. Do look at a calendar though, because next year in 2020 we have a leap year. So there are 29 days in February. So I will go ahead and put some music on, probably speed it up for you a little bit, and we'll see how long this cute little layout takes. Enjoy. Okay, so all done with March. So this is a fun little layout. There's a lot going on with this. I can see a lot of different pictures going with this. So that'll be I really like how the white goes against the black. That looks real good. And got all the dates put on, so that's all done. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video. And if you're interested in this kit, in the Reasons to Smile Cut Above Layout Kit, just leave me a message down below and I'll be sure to get you more information. There are several ways that you can buy the kit. You can buy just the Cut Above layout, so you just get the 13 layouts. You can buy it with the calendar and stickers, or you can buy it with the calendar, stickers, all the layouts, and this exclusive stamp set that only comes with this kit. So I hope you enjoyed watching this today, and if you have any questions, just leave me a message down below, and if you haven't subscribed already, I would love to have you subscribe. Thank you so much and have a great day.